Hi, install video by Rodney.G. I purchased a pair of Weaver leather horse hitching posts, which are cast iron, very heavy, good material. I'm going to be installing them on 2-inch round steel pipes. I purchased a 10-foot long standard pipe from Lowe's and cut it in half. The ends were threaded, standard pipe threading. I attached the heads of the horses to each pipe and installed them. The height of the heads is approximately 42 inches from the eyes of the horse to the ground. The holes are approximately 6 inches round by 30 inches deep. I dug with a post hole digger. Backfill is a pea gravel and dirt mixture. Eventually I am going to age the materials and rust them to give them that appearance. Pour gravel in the hole partially. Add dirt partially. Use the tamper to help compact the soils around the post. Continue this operation as you go up, and remember to keep leveling the posts both north-south, east-west. You have an opportunity for a straight install. Finish it off with dirt on the top and you have a nice looking post.